Can you guys hear my audio? What a nice day out. Hey Harry, hope you okay. How you doing, Harry? Shit, man, what happened? Let us know what happened. I'm glad you see you're alive. Everybody can hear me? Volume's good. Hey Tom. Hey B5. What's up, my friend? B59. Follow that guy. If you guys ever need graphic design, he is the man. B59. That's our graphic designer, man. He's fucking awesome. Volume's good, right, guys? Do me a favor along the way. Give me an update on MDR and BIMI. Let's see what they are at. I have some fantasy orders up there. Outer lines, of course. Just in case. How you guys doing? What's MDR at right now? This is going to be a good IG Live, guys. Thank you. Okay. So much FOMO, guys. You guys have no idea. I nailed all those at the top. And I kept on going down. So I had to do this IG Live. Okay. Well, as usual, we're going to go up the hill. And when we make up the hill, when we start. Whew. Felt great, guys. Made more first half hour trading than I did a month of being an engineer. Nail and bail. Keep to the process. You just need that one move, guys. That one pattern, one move. I hate to use the word pattern, but certain things happen all the time, repeatedly. And we build processes around the pattern. BIMI. I top ticked that 787. I kept on adding. Down the whole buck. Whew. Got admit though, that shit was scary. Was not an easy trade. Let me walk up the hill. How's everybody's weekend, man? You guys gotta have a good weekend? IG Live is a great way. Also, this is like a community within itself. The guys I show up all the time to watch these IG Live, thank you. But it's great. You see other people join in. This is how you make friends, guys. This is how you make friends. All these people that are following us on IG Live right now, these are the ones that want to succeed in life. These are the ones that you become friends with. Whew. Almost at the hill, guys. What a fucking great day. It's not cold today at all. What's up, my buddy? Sanjay Trades. Hey, Corey. Mr. Rich. All you guys. What's up? Whew. Notice I'm making up the hill quicker now, man. My endurance is better. Remember I used to die on these hills, guys? My, what a year it's been, huh? You guys have been watching me on IG Live. Remember I was dying? The grandma kept kicking my ass. Now where's the grandma? No granny to be found. I'm ready for you, woman. Where are you at? No grandma. That's grandma's scared. This fall, The leaves are turning nice color. Beautiful. Those in the East Coast, I'm pretty sure is beautiful out there. The autumn leaves. Here we just get these. We don't really have true winners, which is a good thing. Alex is dying. What's the weather over there, Alex? You're here? What's the weather over there? Beautiful, man. California is fucking beautiful. This is why we pay the big taxes, right? Quality of life, guys. Live where you like to live. Don't worry about, create your, before I start, I want to talk about this. Create your vision board, man. I was never a big hokey pokey visionary, vision board, fucking dream this, positivity that. I was like a realist. I was an engineer. I was like, fuck, man, all this bullshit, hokey pokey feelings and emotions and spiritual bullshit. But as I grew older, matured, I kept an open mind, and there's something to it. It's like a positive mind, positive thinking. It's huge. It does huge wonders. So that I'll tell you how MIC was formed. I was so miserable, and I was like, dude, I want to do something. Money is just not doing it for me. Waking up every day, it's like boring. Trading's boring. I've been doing this so long, it doesn't fucking excite me. And so I created a vision in my head. I told Alex, I was like, dude, I'm going to create a company or a way for me to enjoy my life at the same time helping other people. Number one thing is to help other people. That gives me a tremendous joy. So why can't I just fucking build a company where I can help people travel? Because I love to travel, meet people. I love to meet new people. Dude, that's how MIC was formed. I was like, holy shit. So that was my vision board that we created. And look at us now, dude, just a little bit over a year into this. So, you know what, man? I'm a fucking realist, but at the same time, there's something to the spirituality thing, man. Then I meet Tosh. He's talking about, horoscopes and all that stuff. I was like, I was never into that shit. But now I'm like, dude, doesn't hurt. Why am I so arrogant? I don't know anything. So as I grew older and matured, I was like, fuck, dude, I'm keeping an open mind. And this open mind has really helped me. And fuck, dude, I want to tell the world how it's done. I am not the most successful guy. I'm not the most healthy. I'm not the most inspirational. I fucking have so many flaws, but that's the reason I want to spread my word. I have all these fucking flaws, and I figured out how to slowly make my life happier. I thought it was money. It's not fucking money. You do something good for the world, karma will take care of yourself, right? And fuck, man, feeling good is a reward in itself. Okay, and so this IG Live I'm doing today, I told Alex, I was like, dude, let me do it today. Because I want to talk about, so before we start, this is awesome. So Alex created this new landing page. You're going to put out, everybody wants a paper trade, right guys? Everybody wants a paper trade. So how do you paper trade? We are going to help you by giving you a free account, a free live trading account. It's set up through DOS Trading, our partner, but we're going to create a page for you to do it. It's limited time only, guys. It's just this because it costs money. It's not free for everybody, right? But we were going to make it free for you guys. Alex is going to put that up soon, but so all those guys are asking, how do I start trading? Dude, we're putting together something for you to help. We have a free 2-hour webinar at myinvestingclub.co, myinvestingclub.co, not .com, .co, myinvestingclub.co. It's a free 2-hour webinar, and then you watch it at the end, you have more information. So we're gonna couple that with the free paper trading. So dude, it's fucking perfect for the guys that don't know anything about trading, or the guys that want to know or know a little bit, or just fucking, if you want to paper trade, dude, why not? So we're setting up that page right now. More information is to come. Okay, we don't have any real opening promotions or anything. Winter is coming up and stuff. Alex has a free, at the end of the month, if you sign up, you're in the raffle for a free steak dinner. People making fun of that, but the true meaning of the free dinner is not to get a fucking free steak, dude. It's to be able to sit down with us, to talk to us. How often are you gonna meet someone that's gonna help you? And for free, right? You just join. People always say, oh, it's free to join. Well, fuck, dude. What you fucking live in America, you gotta fucking pay taxes. That's fucking, is it free to breathe the air? No, you still gotta pay your taxes, right? So that's awesome. We're gonna come to your town. So Alex will talk to you more about that tomorrow when he does his. But no, we have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, man. We don't discount, guys. Once in a while I get drunk and I go, okay, I'm gonna discount let's say like a lifetime stuff, but that's just for fun, and people do sign up for that. But the point is, dude, when I started trading, no one fucking helped me. I saw all these guys, I was like, fuck, man, I wish I just fucking picked their brain. I would text them or like text them through social media, no one would reply. So here's your fucking chance, dude. Here's your chance, man. Email Tosh at myinvestingclub.com for more information. Tosh, you can hit him up and hit up Alex for more information on that, okay? But okay, so let me start the IG live now. I wanted to talk about, dude, why am I so anxious to go on to this hike to do this IG live? Okay, because last week was a bad week for me, man. I'm not gonna fucking lie. I told the guys in the room last week was fucking tough, man. Everything was running, and it's just I got overwhelmed and I took a loss. You know, shit happens, right? And then these trolls are like, oh, he's hiding losses. I'm like, what the fuck am I hiding? It's funny. I posted it to the members I lost, and then the trolls took that message and posted it to Twitter and said, Bao's hiding losses. It's like, motherfucker, if I was hiding losses, why would I be telling people I lost? So it's funny, you know, they always try to twist shit around, but which leads to here. Everything happens for a reason, guys. Okay? Because last week was bad, man. It's a very indicative of everybody else. Meaning, everybody goes through these losing streaks. No one fucking wins forever, man. You know what the worst part about losing is? It's when everybody else wins, and then you're the only one lost. Or it appears to be you're the only one who lost. Okay, I'm pretty sure there's tons of people that lost last week. But all you ever hear about is people that win. Because these guys that win, they brag, they post, they had the best week ever. It is so fucking awesome. You never ever see them post a loss. You never see them talk about how tough trading is. Or fuck, man, it's depressing or things like that. And you see me, I go on these IG lives. Last week I said the same thing. I went to an IG live, I said I lost. And it was fucking miserable. It's a miserable feeling to lose. I don't give a fuck if I fucking made $10 million in my lifetime trading. I don't give a fuck what I did last week. But when you fucking lose, it fucking sucks, dude. It fucking sucks. And what's worse is when you open up your Twitter or your social media and you see other people banking, or they think they're banking because they always say they're banking, right? Everyone's always fucking banking. So when you fucking lose, it aggravates you. And you think trading is easy. And you're like, why am I the only guy that lost? Everybody else fucking made money. It's so fucking easy. And so you fuck up because you have this mentality that you must be doing something fucking wrong. Because everybody else is making money. What the fuck's going wrong? So you end up fucking chasing alerts. You follow these guys who don't prove that they trade. They're just trying to scam people, pump and dump and stuff. And then you eventually fucking lose all your money. Call everybody a scammer. And that's how the troll begins, right? So I'm going to be the first to tell you, dude, fucking trading is tough. I'm probably the only one that fucking ever says it all the time. Trading is fucking very tough. I lost money fucking last week. I know people that made hundreds of thousands of dollars. I think some guy even made $1 million trading these crazy ass stocks. And I'm like, fuck, man. It fucking like, why can't it be me? I'm like, fuck. But the thing is, I make money some weeks, they don't make money. That's how fucking trading works, guys. You cannot fucking make money all the time. And there's going to be opportunities where it looks like a simple layup. But in reality, it's fucking hard, guys. It's always easy in hindsight. That's why you see these guys. They never post their trades. They never post their charts. Only hours after the trade's done that they fucking say, oh, I banked. I was in this. I was fucking... Dude, you see what I'm saying? So they make it look simple because they're fucking frauds. Okay? It's like, trading is not fucking simple, guys. The guy... and it's like, I lost last week. And I fucking felt miserable. It wasn't just the money. Okay, money is money, whatever. You know, I can afford to take the whatever loss I afford to take. It's more of a confidence killer. I was doing great for months. And even a guy like me who's been trading for decades fuck, man, when you go on certain losing streaks, or when you have layups that you think is a layup, meaning an easy trade, but nothing's an easy trade, guys. It's only after the fact you know it's an easy trade. Like the stock goes up to, let's say, $20, and now it's at $8. Like, oh, fuck, it was an easy short. Imagine how many guys blew up by Beyond Meat, Tilray, Dries. It went up to $100, $300. So it's, if that stock had went up to $100, you're like, oh, good thing I didn't fucking short at $20. So it's not an easy trade, guys. Okay, so don't look at it. And so I never look in retrospect, in hindsight. I hate looking in hindsight. People always ask me, what if, what if? I never answer what if, because I already know the results. What do you want me to say? You can look at this charts and you can determine the fucking results, okay? And so I want to talk about this mindset, because I am here doing the IG live today. Because last week I took a beating. I lost. And it's like, fuck, I'm looking around like all these guys are banking. And I'm like, fuck. And you know what, man? It's kind of like, it sucks. I feel bad. I was depressed. I mean, it's more of a morale killer. Okay? I mean, I am set monetarily wise, financially wise, so that doesn't matter to me. It's more of like, fuck, I feel like I let my group down. I feel like I let myself down, my friends down, my image down, all this bullshit. You see this, man? You get into this fucking, it's like, it's not even the money. It gets to the point where you doubt yourself. You start doubting your trades. You get scared. So you start doing crazy shit. So last week so this is the thing, man. If I had just kept on shorting or whatever the style I usually trade, I make money. But I was so, what's the word? I had no confidence. So I switched from long to short to long, and I got killed on both sides. I lost on the long, I lost on the short. And so I'm like, fuck, dude. That's because I had no confidence. And it's like, why am I fucking lacking this confidence? I know I can trade. I know my system works. It's just you put the pressure on yourself, and that what happens is you start to deviate from your process. Every single loss I've had, that big loss, is always because, not because my system has failed, it's because I failed. Because I fucking fucked up. I deviate from my process. An example, trading past zombie hours. I should not be fucking trading these strong stocks after 11 a.m. Zombie hour starts at 10:30 a.m. And that's when you should fucking wind down your trades and get the fuck out. If you're short. If you're long, it's a different story. But you shouldn't be trading all day. So I got, I started with a fucking small loss, then it starts to balloon up, and that's how it starts. One bad trade leads into 10 bad trades. And so the first step this week I did was this. This weekend, I started to clear my brain. I didn't drink at all. I worked out. I was like, fuck, man, I'm going to take this seriously in terms of not the money, but more of like redeeming myself to myself, that I can still trade. Do you see how crazy it is? A guy like me who's been trading a long time only takes a few losses to start making yourself doubtful and fearful. So today I cleared my brain. I went back to what I'm doing. I fucking nailed it. I nailed all of it. And the stock kept going down. MDR, I nailed it. I nailed the top. MDR at 330. BIMI at 787. So what? It went down more. I took the meat of the move, made the easy money, got the fuck out. Fuck. I made fucking mortgage money in the fucking first half hour. Moved the fuck on. Yes, it went down more. I'm pissed, but I kept to my process. Sure, I left the fucking house before I fucked up again. Before I start to overtrade. Any cushion, guys, any cushion is not enough cushion. I'm telling you that right now. When you start to deviate from your process, fucking bad shit happens, man. Because I told you, man, the most dangerous trade is the trade where you break a rule and you make money. You get away with it. It becomes a bad habit, man. Don't fucking even get there. Don't turn into a bad fucking habit. It's like you have a girlfriend or spouse. Okay, I'm going to be 10 minutes late. Oh, she took it. I'm going to be half an hour late. Oh, she's cool, an hour late. So it becomes a bad habit where you're always fucking late by an hour, 2 hours, and then she gets really pissed off, right? So you don't want to turn into a bad habit. You got lucky that she didn't get pissed, that you went out fucking past curfew, or the reason may be, right? But you don't want to make that bad habit. Same thing with trading, man. That's why you need an accountability buddy. And when you go out, your friends are your drinking accountability buddy, your dabs. Get home, motherfucker. Your wife is gonna kick your ass. Shit like that, right? Versus, oh, stay out. One more trade, guys. One more drink, one more trade. Oh, two more trades, two more drinks. Oh, fuck it. You're already down too much. You already out too late. You're already dead, guys. Your girlfriend and wife is pissed off. So why not just stay out all night? She's pissed off anyways. Same thing with trading. Oh, fuck, I'm already down. Fuck, I'm down more. Might as well go all in. What's there to lose? And then what happens is then when all's said and done, you regret, I should have went home. I should have stopped trading. Oh my God, what the fuck I do? You know what I'm saying? Going home at 2 a.m. past curfew is better than going home at 5 a.m. and getting your butt whooped. Same thing with trading. Taking a fucking loss is better than taking a giant loss. So that's the whole thing. You don't want to get yourself in that situation. So I'm creating a process because I cannot trust myself. Seriously, I cannot fucking trust myself. I have no self-control, guys. If I sit there, I'm going to fucking start trading because I'm bored. Because I have cushion. Cushion goes away real fast. When you start losing your daily cushion, let's say I'm up $4,000 today, $5,000 today. Oh, I have $5,000. I'm going to put up maybe $1,000 to fuck around. Oh, fuck, I'm down 1,000. Oh, I'm still up 4,000. Okay, how about just another 1,000? Oh, fuck. Now I just lost back half of my winnings. Oh, I'm still up. Oh, fuck. I just lost the other half of my winnings. Fuck. I'm going to fucking be pissed off now. I'm going to try make back my wins. And then now you're ready for the day. How often did that happen, guys? This is why I cannot be trusted. No one can be fucking trusted. BMI, wow, 740. See that zombie shit, guys? See that fucking zombie shit? So this is why I fucking purposely got myself out of my house, because this is my process now. So I am creating myself a process so that I don't fuck up, that I don't overtrade. So you have to control your own process, guys. There's technical ways of doing that. Stop losses, max daily loss at the broker level, things like that. But at the end of the day, is the mental part is the tough part, because human beings want to break rules. You are a Christian, you're a Catholic, you have sex before marriage. See? Everyone's trying to bend the fucking rules. So the thing is, so you create risk control. Fuck, if you're gonna have sex before marriage, put on a condom. That's the stop loss. A condom is your stop loss. Put on a fucking condom, and at least if you break the rule, no baby comes out. If you're gonna break a rule, at least the stop is gonna stop before you blow up your account. You know what I'm saying? So you have to create these layers of security. Because human beings, man, we fuck up. We're always fucking looking for some sort of edge. And like, ooh, I got away with this shit. Ooh, what if I get away with it again next time, right? And this is why bad habits happen, guys. And so I'm creating my own process by doing these walks. You could do the same thing. Let's say you make the rule. If you're a short seller, make the rule where 11 o'clock in the morning, market time, you go to the gym. Or you get out, you eat breakfast. So that's your rule. So you leave all temptation. That's why a lot of the guys that work for a living, like my buddy, Alan, he doesn't get stuck in zombie because he has to go to his job. And he's like, pal, I'm so fucking fortunate. I'm like, dude, did you see that giant ass zombie move? Oh no, I was at work. Motherfucker is lucky he got work. So same thing for me. I'm taking my walk. And it's like, this is my way of, I'm a full-time trader, so I don't have a fucking job per se. You know, I have MIC I can help, which I do right now. So I'm creating my own security layer, a fence. So that's what you need to do, guys. You need to fucking do that shit. Yeah, pulling out is a mental stop, man. How many guys out there got pregnant by this pull-out method, right? It does not fucking work, man. Oh, I'm gonna stick it in a little longer. Then you get fucked. You know, so pre-cum is your FOMO, right? Pre-cum is FOMO. And then you full on fucking say, fuck it. I might as well go all the way. You fucking blow up, dude. That's what it is, man. So I'm telling you, you go back to your trades, figure out why you're losing. Most of the time is lack of discipline, deviation from process. Your process is this, guys. I always say, plan your trade, trade your plan. Okay? Your plan includes your entries, your exits, and your stop losses. Okay? If you plan that and you happen to lose, it's okay. It is okay. Okay? Because you followed your plan. And your plan says, hey man, I lost. That's fucking perfectly fine. Don't worry about it. Go on to the next trade. You should worry when you deviate from your process because you think you're arrogant and you can do better. I do this all the time, man. That's why I'm walking out right now. I would have stayed, got zombied on BIM. I'm just making it up, but who knows, right? So the point is I'm creating a fence around who I am. Everybody's personality is different. I need to be fucking controlled because I am a fucking animal. I am fucking my lack of discipline is what made me a lot of money, but at the same time, it can lose me a lot of money. So, it's just stupidity of that. So, BI 746, shit. BMI, let me cancel one trade. Hold on. We are back, guys. I should change the order around. So basically what I did on BMI was this, guys. Before I left, I had a fantasy order out at the 780 line, which was the top of the previous high, which is basically the outer line. Okay, so I went back to double check to see none of that thing filled, and it didn't fill. And so I reduced my size down. I sized too much there. I don't want to lose my money being blind and being stupid. It can still break the outer lines and go up. So I changed my size down to just a fun order where even if it runs a few bucks, I'm okay. Instead of having 2,000 shares out there, I put 1,000 shares now, so I'm good. I don't want to fucking to run up and ruin my day. Those things are crazy, right? So that's what I did. So I used the outer lines and I placed them when I went to a walk. And then when I got near, now I'm like pulled back. So I changed my size down. Yep. So 780 line, 780s is where I have my fantasy order out. And this was when it was at $6.60, guys. $6.60. I put on the outer lines. And so that's what it is. So this is the thing. If you're walking around, you don't see these fluctuations up and down. So we always talk about line to line, right? And so if you are a perfect trader, meaning you have no emotions, that's what I mean by perfect trader. Has no emotions, no FOMO. He's waiting for that 770, 780 like he wanted to. And he's just chilling. It doesn't matter if it's 750. Whereas a human being would be like, oh, fuck, 750 is close enough. So I'm going to start scaling at 750. That's what happened to me today. I was like, fuck. But 20 cents is still 20 cents. And so by the time 780 comes, you may already be in a couple thousand shares. And so you're like, oh, fuck, I'm already down. So it fucks your brain, you know what I'm saying? So if you just wait and have fucking no emotions and waiting for the FOMO, oh, damn, 760 rejecting. Come back up 780, man. But you see what happens? It got back to the outer lines, guys. Go take a look at my Twitter chart on BIMI. You see the craziness? It fucking, what's the VWAP, guys? VWAP, it VWAP reclaim. So that's a great strategies for the long. I love hearing all these terminologies from all these other guys that VWAP reclaim, lines, death line, things like that. And so those are the terms that, we love talking about them, recycling shares, things like that. And so you learn along the way these terms. And I name them a certain way because, it's not a trading term. Recycling shares, I made that up because I'm recycling my shares, right? So it kind of took hold. Furu was another term I coined. But anyways, I want to talk about, getting back to the process. So, I lost last week. I'm not fucking hiding anything. People go, I'm hiding my loss. What the fuck, dude? I posted to the room I lost. And what happened when I posted the room I lost, I was okay. So then I'm going to take it easy. So this week I cleaned up myself, meaning the weekend I worked out, I didn't drink, I ate right, I slept early at 9 p.m. last night, woke up, was confident because, man, I'm not thinking about my losses last week. That's the key. I'm not fearful. I'm trading it's like that saying in life. You want to dance like no one's watching, and like love like you've never been hurt before. I think there's another line in there, but I forget. But that's the thing. So, fuck. Go back up. But you see what I'm saying? So now I'm still having FOMO. But I'm more clear-minded in the sense of at least I reduce my size down. I put it at the outer line. If I was sticking around, I might have started scaling in way early. Who knows? So I'm keeping to my discipline. When I come back, I might cancel and just leave and go eat pho. But my whole point today, guys, of this IG Live is this. Okay? Stick to your process. Everybody loses. Whoever says they don't fucking lose in the banking all the time is a scammer, a fucking fraud. These guys that say fucking like, it's easy, I'm having awesome times, it's so easy. I'm like, dude, do you ever fucking lose? So, it's not the winners, man. It's how you mitigate your losses that determines the longevity in this game, guys. You will have winners. But make sure your losers don't wipe you out before your winners make you money, okay? So risk management, don't want to fucking deviate from your process. So I am holding this IG Live to let you know. Last week was a horrible week. I lost money. You know, I hate losing money. It's probably been months since I lost money. But it fucking sucks. It fucked up my brain. Even though it's just like a 2-day loss. I cleared my brain over the weekend. I forgot all about my losses. I don't even remember what the fuck happened last week, guys. You know, I moved on and I came back. I made a plan. I did not have FOMO. I fucking nailed and bailed. I went to my walk, avoided the zombie hour, made great money the first fucking hour of trading. I'm done. That's how you should do it. Everybody has losses. How do you bounce back? Take time off. Thank God it was a weekend. Took time off. You know, got eating right, exercise, do whatever you need to do to get back and feel good for yourself. Okay? And know that everybody loses, guys. Everybody fucking loses. Okay, I'm gonna walk by my. Okay, I want to bring someone on because are we missing anything, Alex? Did I miss anything? I want to talk about. This was important because people don't talk about their losses often, and you know I don't lose often, but when I lose, it's big. You know what I'm saying? It's stupid because that's the thing. It's like it's so weird, man. It's like because I hardly ever lose because I make, you know, and then when you lose, sometimes it's like it's dangerous. Remember, I keep telling you, it's dangerous when you break rules and stuff, you get away with it, or when you think you're infallible because you have this big streak and then you work this cushion game in your head like, oh, I'm up fucking $50,000 this month. No, I'll let it fucking lose, and then next thing you know, it's fucking your cushion is gone. How far back can you fucking cushion yourself? I'm up my lifetime. I'm not gonna want to lose back tens of millions of dollars. You see what I'm saying? So you have to create a fence around yourself. A lot of people take money out of their account to make sure they don't fucking blow up. So, you know there's a certain amount of money you need in your account to trade. So maybe a good advice is whenever you pay yourself. You pay yourself. You put yourself in the minimum, and then every week you take out the money. So you look forward to taking out the money. And then so you don't want to fuck up because you're like, oh, payday's Friday. I'm not gonna fuck up today. You know, it's Thursday, it's Friday, it's payday. I'm not going to fucking fuck up. And then you assure yourself and take out money. So you have to put in that daily routine. Same thing with having a job. You're like, oh, fucking payday's coming. I'm not going to get pissed off my boss and get fired before my bonus comes and stuff like that, right? So that's it, man. What else we got, Alex? I'm sorry, but yeah, man, I was passionate about this because like, fuck, man. My whole point today was to get back on the horse. I was trading horribly. It's not even financial. It was more of like, fuck, dude. I didn't know, go to long, go to short. And so I was going back and forth. And I was like, fuck, dude. So basically, like, what are you doing, Bao? What the fuck are you doing? So I took it easy on Friday, this weekend. You know, I cleaned myself up mentally, worked out, ate right. Now I'm back, baby. And that's trading, man. That's fucking trading. Same thing with professional sports. They go through slumps. They lose games. You know, if you're gonna fucking worry about your last fucking loss, might as well quit now, because you will lose again. It's just, you know what? It's just part of business, man. Part of business. And even and the worst thing is when you listen to other people banking, or they think they bank, and then you're like, oh, man, I'm better than them. So don't get caught up in that. So sometimes it's better not to follow social media, because social media is full of bullshit. Okay, keep a group, keep a tight group of friends that you trade with, you know, and then that's it, man. Guys that you know is real, guys that are supportive, not guys that are out there just to brag because their life is miserable at home. They don't have a fucking picture on their fucking Twitter. You know what I'm saying? And you know, these guys are just out there because they're miserable. Who the fuck hides their face? Seriously. You see me every fucking day, man. Would a fucking fraud ever fucking show their face? Would a fraud walk around public? Would a fraud invite random strangers to the hotel room? I'm not afraid, you know what I'm saying? So that's the fucking way I live my life, guys. And I wanted to set the example for everybody. Because, you know, I'm a fucking normal human being, man. I lose, I get fucking frustrated. I'm not a computer robot. You know, it fucking sucks. Losing sucks. But you know what, man? That's the price. That's life. You have to fucking, no team is perfect forever. You lose and the fucking, you know what I'm saying? Fucking the Yankees lost to the Astros. It's alright. They fucking won 27 other pennants before. So no big deal, right? So, alright guys, I want to bring someone on. Who would like to come on just to say hi? Raise your hand. Hey Alex, are you there? Alex is probably busy working on the free webinar and free paper training. You around? Hey Tosh, you on? I saw you made a great trade today. Are you on there? Just raise your hand. I want to bring someone on just to... Josh Attack. Okay, I've never seen this. I'm going to randomly pick people. Hey, Mr. Josh.
What's up, Mal?
What's going on, man? What are you doing?
Let me straighten out my hair real fast.
All right, I'll take mine off, and we'll be even out. Oh, shit.
This is kind of good. You had me on a couple weeks ago.
Oh, dude, you were in the fucking hotel in Vegas, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. I forgot.
What's that?
Did you change your screen name?
No, it's the same name.
See, my brain. So Josh was in. So we threw a little meetup over in Las Vegas, man. You came to the hotel room, right? You're
Yeah,
the
dude, we blast, man.
It was.
You did kind of down the line. That was actually.
Seriously, right? We basically, we're kind of stupid. We invite random strangers. Fucking crazy, right?
You never know. Anything can happen in Vegas, man.
Well, now that we know you're a big boy.
That's right. I got your back.
So how's things been, man? How things been?
It's going okay. You know, I've we talked a couple of weeks ago. I've only been in MIC for about 4 months, and basically just trading full time for 4 months, and I'm pretty new to the game. You know, we kind of talked about it last time.
Correct.
But I'm pretty much break even. Like since I started full time 3 months ago, 4 months ago.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, breaking even. Okay, here's the viewers, guys. How many of you guys broke even the first 3 months you traded? Most people fucking got their ass kicked.
Dude, I mean, the biggest thing was I just started out super small, you know, and.
But that's the way you should do it, man. Why the fuck are you gonna risk real money until you know what you're doing?
I mean, it was the first month. The first month, it was, I just set a small daily max loss every day. Obviously learned most of this from MIC. So, set a small daily max loss. And for the first month, I was like stopping out every single day, just like every day, stopping out.
So let me ask you, why were you stopping out? Because your entries were poor, right?
Entries were poor. Yeah. I mean, that was the biggest thing. Just FOMO and just, I have to be in there. And then, terrible entry. And then get squeezed and get stopped out like every single time, But
you imagine if you do not stop out, that small size is gonna kick your ass. Still.
Oh, it's definitely. I mean, I would definitely be down if it wasn't for starting small, for sure.
Correct.
And so like the first month it was basically stopping out every day, and then the second month, you know, I was kind of learning how to not lose. You know, basically learning how to lose less or learning how to not lose.
But you didn't focus on making money. That's also the problem.
Well, no, yeah. I mean, I'm also I play poker for a living, so I'm like used to gambling. I'm like,
Okay.
you know, I'm a professional gambler, so I understand you. I understand you can't win every single day, and you can't win when you're starting out. It takes a long time.
So that's why you have great risk control, man. Because that's a poker. You know when to fold them, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, the same thing can happen in poker. You can blow up in one session. You know, you just put all your money on the table, and then next thing you know, it's gone.
Yep.
You know, kind of like the same way in trading.
So this is what I noticed. Okay, just from what you're telling me, you stopped out when you started all the time. So, but you're break even. That means it's still not bad. You're still being saved by your stops. But the key is this: you are now working on your entries. And so by working on your entries, and even if putting the same stops out, you will make money by default. If you had a better entry.
You're exactly right. I mean, in the last month and a half, entries have gotten a whole lot better, and I'm up money. I'm plus money in the last month.
Okay.
One, you know, and
one awesome,
last week I won, and currently today I'm up a little bit. So
that's awesome. So tell everybody what did you tweak? Why is your entries better?
I mean, let's see. Let me turn up the volume here. I mean, the most important part is just having patience to wait on everything to come to you.
That's hard though, right?
Yeah, I mean, that's the hardest part, but that's the most important part.
Yep.
And, you know,
it's crazy because it always comes. It always comes.
Always comes every time.
10 minutes later, you're like, holy fucking time.
And the times where I maybe adjusted my entry, you know, because I was FOMO just to get in, it always ends up coming to my original entry every single time.
Yep.
And so over time, I'm like, well, fuck, you know, I just need to wait a little bit longer.
So what a trick that Alex and I do is, because we have FOMOs too, man. What you can do is go even tiny, just so that, you know, you scratch that itch. So like 100 shares or something stupid, right?
What kind of size do you use? Like a tenth of your size or something?
Yeah. So let me see. So let's say 10,000 is my max size I want to use. So, dude, I could be in like 500 shares, you know, shit like that, or 1,000 max.
Yeah.
Just to wet my beak. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And so when it tanks, you're pissed, but you feel like you should just scratch that fucking itch. It could be 500 shares, it could be 200 shares, it could be one of the fucking hits, right? But no more than 1/10 of your size, something ridiculously small, right? You know, where it doesn't really hurt. Yeah. So like for BIMI, when you saw the first weird print I did, it was 500 shares. That's it. 500 fucking shares. Just to scratch my fucking itch. And so, you know, and then it went up to 787. Then I could start add more size because I wanted it at 770. Remember in the chat room I said 770? But I was like, why the fuck am I starting at 737? I told myself 770. It hit 790. I'm like, fuck. So if I started at 770, my average would be ridiculously awesome. But I know that about myself. And so I was like, dude, I would kill myself if it tanked and I was not even in 500 shares. So I got that itch out of the way by just getting in 500 shares.
Yeah, because that way if it does tank, you're still just in there, just kind of holding on, you know?
Because like, okay, for 500 shares, I'll just give an example. If it goes up 50 cents, I'm only down $250. Mm-hmm. You see what I'm saying? So I do that math in my head, like what can I just throw away just to scratch my itch kind of shit. So it could be 100 shares, it could be whatever that is your tolerant level. But to be honest, like we really don't know. The problem with FOMO is this, man. Let's say I say 770, 780, right? And it did tank at 740. And I'm like, motherfucker. So, you know what? The reason the FOMO comes is because every now and then it works. It works. And that's why you're like, fuck, I don't want to miss it. And so the human nature, you know this shit. You're like, fuck, I don't want to miss out on this big ass pot. So I'm going to sprinkle the pot and then, oh, fuck. My bottom pair hit, right? You're like, fuck, what do I do now? and then you get killed. You're like, I should have fucking just stopped the hand, right?
Mm-hmm. It's basically when you haven't played any hands, you know, in a while, and you're like, holy shit. Yeah,
I'm gonna
now I
sprinkle
have-
the pot, and then fuck
Yeah.
your shit hits, and you're like, oh, I'm dead.
It's like I don't really have that good of a hand. I haven't played in a while, so we got to get in there, you know.
Yep. And so you know, this is a personality flaw I have, which I think a lot of people have too. It's a FOMO flaw. And so over time, you can correct it. Like you know this stuff, man. You're a poker player. So in the beginning, you always have this FOMO because you're unsure that your lines will ever hit. But the more you watch it, the more you're certain that most of the time it'll hit. And when it doesn't hit, so what? I miss it. Wait for the next play.
Yeah, it took a while to really to start to trust the lines. Like instead, until I started seeing everybody in the chat. Everybody starts posting their charts and they're like, oh, trust your lines. This line hit, and I'm like, okay, that I'm people. It actually works for people, and then more and more people. It's I see that it's working for them, and then. And then I try it a couple times and it works, and I'm like, oh, maybe there is something to this shit,
Yep. And to be you have to be careful because there's so many lines out there. You don't know which lines to use, right?
Yeah.
So you have to weigh between getting filled all the time and never filling. If you put your shit up to $100 a share, you're never gonna fill, right? If you put your shit too low, you're always gonna fill. So somewhere is a magic balance, and through experience and through the stock, you keep watching this. You track it yourself, data tracking, and you'll see where you should scale in. That's why I scale, because I really don't know. So I start off small, and then I scale more as I go up. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't really know what the proper line is, but this is my method. It goes from line to line, and so I'm gonna if the lines are close enough, I'm just slowly scaling each line with the intention of my average being where I really wanted, like the non-FOMO price. Make sense? So the non-FOMO price is 770. So if I scale in at 740, 500 shares, I would need to add, you know what I'm saying? Because So I'm doing my math because there's a certain amount of shares I would like at a certain average I like. So people think that I'm adding to a loser. Adding to a loser means you deviate from your plan. If your plan was to scale so that you have an X number of size at that average, that's not adding to a loser.
Sure.
Make sense?
Yeah, it's only adding to a loser when you don't plan for it, right?
Correct. And it's, you know what I'm saying? So you start small. The secret is to start small. That way they can't really squeeze you. And like I said, man, you can either wait. So there's an optimal place you just wait. If you miss it, you miss it. So what's BIMI right now? I have an order at 777 and 787. I don't think it hit, huh? It didn't go back up that high?
Looks like 721 right now, 727.
It hit what, 750?
It looks like 760 was the high over the last 30 minutes or so.
Yeah, so that's what it is. So I put 777. So all I do is tiny size, dude, because I'm walking around. I put 500 shares at 777, 500 shares at 787. I mean, fuck, if it hit, I would probably make like $800 when it comes back down. $600. I mean, that's the day's trade. You see what I'm saying? So I use the outer lines and notice that I don't need much size because of this. That stock ranges so much. When a stock ranges that much, don't use size. What you want to do is use that range to your advantage. You wait for the top of the range to enter versus the middle of the range. And that's how you can avoid having to use size to make money. Because notice, if I just do 500 shares at 780, if a drop for me, make nice money.
No.
But if I do 740, holy fuck, dude, it drops money. So I'm using love these big ranges, so I use the outer line. Forget. Make sense?
Yeah, it makes total sense.
Awesome, man. So how's it Vegas? Now, what's the weather there? Is it fucking getting cold? Is it getting cold, the weather?
No, dude, it's sunny and 75.
No, fuck. When we were there, it was cold the first day, and then it got hot.
Man, you guys missed out. Let me see. I'm out of my right Yeah, there we go. Like,
where you live, man? This looks nice. Where you live?
There.
Holy shit, where do you live?
Kind of downtown near Fremont Street.
Okay. Oh, you can see all that?
Yeah, near the Golden Nugget and stuff.
All right, guys. You guys are around Las Vegas. My man Josh Attack here. Hit him, follow him on Instagram. He's learning, and who knows? It could be a great trading group, tab group over in Las Vegas.
Yeah, for sure. Anybody around, feel free to hit me up. And I'm Josh LFG in the MIC chat.
And if you want to learn poker, he can mentor you.
We'll see. We'll see.
MyPokerClub.com.
Yeah. Yeah, but anybody that's around, feel free to hit me up and we'll go grab some lunch or grab a beer at least. So
Awesome, my friend. We'll see you in chat, Josh. Hey, thanks a lot, man, for coming on again.
Thanks, man. I'll talk to you soon.
All right, bye, Josh. Bye. Well, that was awesome. My memory's so bad, I forgot I talked to Josh Attack. But when I saw him, I was like, oh, dude, I know this guy. So you saw what he did, okay? He's a great inspiration, man. This guy never really traded before. Just started trading 4 months and breaking even because he's using stop losses. He's using stop losses, which saves him. His entries in the beginning were very poor because he had FOMO, okay? So now he's fixing. You can't, it's hard to fix everything at once because you don't know what to fix. And so along the way, you tweak your system, become better. So he tweaked his system. His stops were great. I loved his stops. His stops saved him, made him break even. Now he's working on his entries. And if his entry's better, he's automatically gonna make money because his stops were great already. And so that's what you do, man. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Look for that landing page we're gonna put up. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys later. See you in chat.